Magandang araw mga kaibigan, update muna tayo. Ngayong March 24, 2023. Enrique Hill and family, kasalukuyang nag-e-enjoy sa kanilang bakasyon sa Bangkok, Thailand. Kasama si Sir Ranvel Rufino, ang bagong post ni Sir Ranvel sa kanyang IG account. Birthday trip, for the birthday boy. Sometimes, you just need to take a step back and breathe, restart, and reboot. Come back with a refreshed mindset, have zero doubts on our next moves. And I'm excited for more opportunities ahead, onwards, and upwards. May comment pa, si Sir Ranvel, na comeback, it means ba ito, na may something big project? Ang dalawa, si Sir Ranvel Rufino as manager, at si Ken, ang daming fans ang natuwa, at nag-aabang, kung anong project, ang gagawin ni Enrique Hill, at patuloy siyang susuportahan, ng kanyang solid fans, including Liz Ken fans. Panoorin pa natin guys, mga photos bonding, ni na Sir Ranvel, Enrique Hill, and family. Salamat po sa suporta. God bless po sa lahat.